Hello students, today we are going to see about the geography. Already we seen the three lesson. Now we are going to see the fourth lesson for this term. The name of the lesson is hydrosphere. So hydrosphere means what? It's equal to water. It's one of the part of this space. We have in here two, how many space? Here two, four space is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. We see lithosphere 1 and 2 and atmosphere we see. Now we are going to see about the hydrosphere. Okay. So, hydrosphere, one of the most indispensable natural resources on the earth is water. The earth is also called the blue planet. Why? Maximum the percentage was covered by the earth is completely water. So, it will look like a blue planet. So, it's called as blue planet as it holds the water in abundance that, and thus stands unique among all other plants. Hydrosphere consists of the water in the various forms of the water on the earth. Over 97% of the water on the earth's surface is confined up to the ocean. Okay, so we have 100% of the water in the earth means 97% was covered completely by ocean. The remaining 3% only, less than 3% water held on land actually, it's a pure water. That which was utilizing as a groundwater, river, these are all. So 97% of the water which was available in the earth is ocean. Remaining 3% only normal water which we are utilizing for our sources. Okay, yes. Actually, the hydrogen cycle was happening. Because of this cycle only we are getting the 3% of water properly. Okay. So what does it means? The continuous movement of the water on the above and below of the earth surface is called the hydrological cycle. Like a cycle, from here it will be evaporated. The three major processes involved in this cycle. What does it means? Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. So water will be evaporated and it will be condensed as a ice, and after it, because of some temperature, it will be given the precipitation means rain. Okay, so water changes its form constantly, that is ice, water and water vapor. This process happens in the blank of an eye or ever over million of years. So this process was happening over a million of years regularly. It's a process of the hydrology. Okay. So, water resources of the earth can be broadly divided into fresh water and the salt water. So, first one, fresh water. Rainwater is considered to be the purest form of water. Now, compared to, you can check that actually, which are available in your home now. That water you can use for washing the cloth. Then you can see the result. Then another day when you are getting the rain, by using that rainwater you can wash your cloth. So compared to these two, the rainwater will be used no, by that you will get the good result actually. So because it's a pure water, the content of the salt will be very less. That's the reason. The rainwater is considered to be the purest form of water as it contains very less proportion of salts when compared to the ocean. When compared to the ocean actually. So and seas. Hence it's called the freshwater. A major part of the freshwater is found in the frozen state in the form of ice caps and glaciers. Around 1% of the found in the liquid state as a river, stream, lakes, ponds, etc. So surface water may be also penetrate through the porous rocks and gets collected beneath the surface. This is called the groundwater. So what is the groundwater? How we are getting by the way of rain? It will be absorbed by the earth, and after that the groundwater level will be increased. So if you are getting regularly, if you are getting the rain only, you will get the rain. Groundwater level will be maintained and it was increasing. If you are not getting the proper rain, means what will be happening? Groundwater level will be getting reduced. So fresh water, why it is fresh water means the salt content of the water is very less compared to the ocean and the sea. That's the main reason. That's it. Okay. This next one. Just intro alone we will see. What is it? Oceans. Before this, some of the information. What is it means? In Finland, we have number of lakes. How much lakes means? 1,87,888 lakes in Finland. Like the same in our Tamil Nadu, we have a number of lakes, more lakes it's available in which district? Can you find Kanjipuram? In the Kanjipuram only we are having the more lakes actually. Nowadays it's reduced, but nowadays also compared to other district, in Kanjipuram only we have more lakes actually. Okay, yes. Next one. About the ocean, just introduction we will see today. The coordinates and the oceans are, however, not evenly distributed actually. What is the meaning is the land and water area was not evenly distributed. It's not equal. So in the northern and the southern hemisphere especially, the northern hemisphere holds 61% of the land. So northern by the equator, Earth was split into two. No? So in the northern hemisphere area was 61% land, remaining how many? 39% alone water area. But it was opposite in the southern hemisphere. How much mean? The southern hemisphere holds 81% of the water. How much? 81% of the water, and it is because of the pattern of the land and water distribution. So 81% of the water means remaining 19% only land area in southern hemisphere. But in what about northern hemisphere? 61% land area, 39% alone water area. Okay, it is because of the pattern of the land and water distribution. The northern hemisphere is called the land hemisphere, and the southern hemisphere is called the water hemisphere. Some other information, what does it means? 71% of the earth is covered by the water, remaining 29% only land area, but very little can be used by the humans. Why the ocean are salty? Why? These are all the questions for you. Okay, just check it. Humans are not utilizing all other land means where all they are getting the resources, in that place only they will be start living. Okay, where are they getting looking, what is it? Where all is available, where food is available, where water is available, where we can do the agriculture. Based on this only we can choose the place. That's the main reason. So where we are getting this, all the three, there we is ready to stay. That's the main reason. So only we are all not using all the land all over the world. Okay. Ocean and the seas are considered the resources bowl of the earth because of the immense availability, food, mineral, etc. Present distribution of the world's ocean and major are illustrated in the map. Okay, that's it. Just in paragraph. So before the one question is, the oceans are salty. Why? That answer is available, and you too know. I think so. If you know me, okay. Don't know me, just find it. Can you find? Because of the water availability, it's all happened. For example, in a vessel, I'll say surface water you take it. So in a vessel, you will boil the water. You can boil the water. When you first boil, the water will be your boil. But what about if you see the bottom of the vessel, it is salt and it is stale actually. So if you pour another some water means, again the water will become salt. The same, the water will be vapor. Water will be happen. At the bottom of the vessel, what the salt as it is will be stale. So like that, salt is not vaporized. Staying, they will be there itself because of that. How much water is came, what is it? Pure water is came. What was happening? Salty, salty, salty. It's a main reason. Okay. The main reason when you water was vaporing, water alone it was happening. Evaporate. Remaining salt will be stayed in the place itself. So day by day the salt rate was increasing in the ocean. So how much ever we are having the fresh water, it will become salty. Okay. Okay, that's it about today's topic. Remaining things we can continue in next class. Okay. So understand the video and do your work on time. Okay. The question is, let a note on the hydrosphere and hydrological cycle, write about the fresh water and inflow of the ocean. Okay, that's it about the question. Okay, stay safe.